What's going on, guys? It's yours truly, Raul TV, Team R for you, and let's go. Oh yeah, we're here, right? And what we're doing is we're going to reset. I don't know if I've done this one before. If I've done this one before, we're going to do it again, right? What it is, we're gonna reset the oil maintenance light on a 2011 Toyota Auris diesel. Nothing to it really, dead easy, takes 10 seconds. Let's go, let's do it. Right guys, first things first, key in the ignition, put it in the ignition, and what we need to do is we need to press and hold this button here and turn the ignition on at the same time. I don't think I can do this with one hand, but I'm going to attempt it. So finger on there, press and hold that, turn the ignition on to full. There we go, we got a countdown there. Oil data, reset, happy days. What it is, as you can see there, I've got it on the mileage, okay? You can do it while it's on the mileage. Yeah, some people out there, they've commented me saying that it needs to be on the mileage or you don't need anything like that. See, watch this, I'm gonna demonstrate to you guys. Right, it's on the trip A. Right, turn the ignition off, turn it on, and we'll press and hold that. On, same thing, exactly the same thing. Reset, oil reset, done. Right, you can have it on, turn the ignition on again. You can have it on trip B. Right, same thing again, ignition on, sorry, key in, ignition on, press and hold that button there. This one here, press and hold that. Exactly the same thing. So it doesn't have to be on trip A, it doesn't have to be on trip B, it doesn't have to have the mileage showing. It can be on any setting. Okay, and it's just the same procedure. What we do is press and hold that, right, and turn the ignition on whilst holding that is. So press and hold that, ignition on to full whack. There we go. Boom, bang, that's it, done. Happy days, job done.